And now, we're gonna see this bug in this thing that I'm writing for OS.js. So 3, 2, 1. Actually, it won't start automatically. Okay. 3, 2, 1. And now the bug has started. It's the weirdest bug I've ever seen, and I don't know how to fix it. I fixed the code before, but it's happening again. Let's try to debug it. So what I tried to do originally, I was trying to extract a number from a string. That number would be the episode number of what's exactly being watched right now. So, hold on. Let me switch. Let me change those so that we can no, that's my webcam. Let's switch this so we can see the code. No? Okay. I guess we won't be seeing the code unless I manually switch it myself. But, so this was the code. You can see it should work. Huh. Webcam. You can work. What? It seems my webcam has gone frozen. So don't mind that. You can see, it's supposed to work. And then if we switch to here, we can see the code. Which you can see this is what we're doing. Which is similar to the one we just saw. Hold on, let me try to fix the webcam. Oh, the webcam's completely gone. Crazy. So, this is a bug with JavaScript, I think. It should work. Or, what I can do is I can add in an extra if statement. If type of, and the entire thing equals undefined, then we continue an array instead of just continuing the code. So let's switch back to Firefox. And now let's refresh. Start the program. And now looks like the bug is fixed. But accessing that thing that no longer... Okay, I was corrected. The bug is still existing. Let's try this. We can't see the code. I'm gonna close that. Switch back to the code. Then let's define entry before. So we do let entry of array. So that should work. Then switch back to Firefox. Then you should be able to see. Okay, it still shows that bug. This bug may be more in depth than I thought. is this happening? Why is this bug happening? There should be absolutely nothing that this bug can go through. Except for, we can check the index. So, we're going to move the tab, switch to here, and then let's add another if statement. It's equal to -1, then we continue. Okay, then that should work. I don't know where that's happening, but it's happening somewhere. So let's put in. I changed thing where when I was doing the alert, I just changed it to show the stack instead. Okay, that's a bit more detailed. 126. So on line 126, if I switch to here, it said in 125, so that would be right here. On window create, which, okay, goes from on window create up to request, which so means it's going from here, or it's going from this function to this one, which is defined right here. So that's where the request comes in, where it processes the request with the server, and that goes through, and then it's handled. Okay. Then it's somewhere in this block that we know. Well, it should be right here. But specifically, this line of code where it's substrings and stuff. It should be the actual bug line. So, let's do a little debugging print statements. That's on your console. So let's print the window, the entry, and that's it. Then close that. Go to here. Refresh. Network. And now we should see. Okay, the days came in. So we have all the data. That's year line April. Or is the bug still affecting it? That one bug that I haven't mentioned before, which is where all the entries, types or status entries are the same. Which looks like that's the case. So I believe it's fixed. Let's test that by playing something. So go to videos. I have this. And it should have detected it. Let me change the let to var and see if that will fix anything. Network. Wait. Oh, I know why it's not doing that. Because it's not using... Hold on, I need to... Okay, so if I edit... So this involves double... So, I have to edit this. Open this editor. Switch to rewatching. And just set to anywhere. I just randomly went down to a random spot. Go back to OS.js. Network. Oh. Network. You have that one bug now. File manager. Oh, I'm trying to... I don't know the... Oh, this is a weird bug. Why is this bug happening? This is... Okay, that... Network? Okay, got the debugging. Okay, let's rewrite that entire code from what we can see. So, for var entry of data, let's put this so that it doesn't crash, because that should fix it. Okay, then that should work. Then if is nan episode, then we skip it. And we should see a number. So let's switch over. File quit and network. That's been loaded. Where is the thing? Ah, I know why it's not playing. Okay, I can't rename it from here, so I'm just going to rename it from... Now, refresh. Now it's load. Load. I'm adding a console.log for the entry so we can see what exactly is going on. Okay, I'm just gonna rename it so it okay, I renamed it to be something that should trigger the code. And it worked. I believe it worked. Okay, the only way to check it is if so I'll reload it, and that means it's working. So I successfully debugged the code and figured out which one is working, or how it's working, but we still don't know where that object thing is. That object stuff. Don't worry about the object not having its dereference or something like that. So yeah, I was fixing a bug, and kind of you guys get to see what debugging can look like, or what it should look like. Thanks for watching.